Morning guys, sekarang saya buat skincare. Couldn't gonna do it, and then guys, I forgot that just got pimples. Like, so when I put on my lotion, I need to put it with them. Why am I here? Guys, this is my, I think, second time posting a video on my first. See the guys. Oh, it's blending the day. There's a pack of my spray bottle. Like my short chick. Comment the heart emoji if you think my skin is gonna look good without the filter. Take a look and work the filter off. And there you go guys. And I also did my nails. As you guys can see, in this perfume I ran out yesterday and I put in water last night. Yeah. Now if you remember my first relaxing stuff, I got some from my friend's cousin. So yeah guys. It's probably 9:29 now.